Phew, it
Put
stinks.
his finger up to his nose and ain't phased him. Here, let's see.
Give him a big fish. See what he does.
Here, Tom. Here. Here.
He has a smell of
He got a bug in his eye. Get that bug out of his eye, Mama.
It's his hand.
Birdleg's act like he knows what he's doing with that knife.
Yeah, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. No. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Leslie, were you waiting behind?
The blacks I work with, Chuck trained me how to use
Y'all have 6
it.
more fish to do.
On a Saturday night?
Daddy, y'all have 6 more fish to do.
6 more, then we can play baseball, huh?
Yeah. He brought his bat and his ball and his gloves.
What you waiting on, ain't it?
Yeah. Because we have that flat fish that looks like a pancake.
What kind of fish is that?
Tell me what
Does
kind
it
it
have
is.
a name?
Wesley knows.
No,
I just
I
told him.
forget.
What's the matter, Jake? They won't give you a fish to play with?
I don't think Jake's interested in playing with fish.
Thomas? Thomas, Jake, they look alike. What?
Flat fish.
Take it.
Give him that flat fish. And let him be stinky.
Hey. Oh, you said we ain't gonna freeze them like that, huh? Oh, we got all. We probably need some zip lock. We got some around aluminum foil. Oh, you do? Okay.
Just saying
Oh, I
no
know.
to this. That's all hard. Or it's the bird.
Go ahead, Greg.
Yeah, Kurt gonna get me Katie's birthday today.
Is that right? God, no. Well, this old bird and 2 more slipped up on me. And I had put my call away and just kind of got ready, you know. And I said, well, old Curt will turn around and come back this way directly. And I looked over to my left, and there they were. There's 3 of them. I killed this one, shot the other one down, but I didn't go look right then, you see. Shot the other one flying. And when I went over there, he had went on down through the woods a little ways. When Curt got back to me, we got to looking for him. And Curt jumped him up and shot him again. Knocked him down, but he still got away. That's a fine bird.
That's what you call
You weigh 12 pounds.
That's what you call a Jake, huh?
This is a Jake, yeah.
Let's see his beard.
His beard is right here.
Yeah, you got a nice
Right
little
there.
beard there.
See his beard? It's about 3 inches long.
I'm gonna zoom in on it. Yeah.
That's about a 3-inch beard there.
What did you do when you shot him?
What did he do?
Yeah.
He went to flopping. When they first seen me out here, one of them hollered, "Shit!" And it was too late there. It was too late. Do you know 3 coyotes come out on me? And these turkeys were behind them coyotes, 2, you know. And it wasn't coyotes, it was turkeys. But I had just yelped. Right after the coyotes passed, I made one yelp, you know, thinking them coyotes would turn around and come back, but they didn't. And hell,
How much you think he weighs? About 12
Yeah, he'll
pounds?
weigh 12 pounds.
We'll have to weigh him when we
That's
get home.
Nice turkey.
Recording?
Mm-hmm.
This is a wild turkey. Killed by, well, I can't lie, the old man killed him. But I did shoot one down this morning. There's some beard. It's a fine bird. I'll get mine tomorrow morning. You lay him out like this, get a shot of the feathers. Fine bird. That's a smart bird. Now we gotta go figure out how to clean the damn thing. How you clean a turkey?
Skin him.
Skin him out.
Yeah.
Well, we need to go skin him.
And that ain't no bullshit, because here's the proof. This is a bird my second youngest brother stole from me this morning. He never killed one, so I just let it fly over him. Come on, get the picture, Kurt.
Tell the truth now.
Tell the truth now. I called this bird up and he jumped in the air, and Kurt was relaxing on a log with his fallen log, and he downed him.
Now let me get in the picture.
Okay.
Here. Pick, just point it in our direction. Look, Gary, you come film it.
Yeah, either Gary can do it or I'll.
That bird weighs more than 17 pounds.
17.72.
17 and a half.
Gary, you dropped it and thought it.
Yeah, I had the first one.
Just
That's
cut
like
it.
killing your first deer.
Boy, you ain't lying. I think I clicked it off. Check
Okay.
it. Hit the button again.
No, it's still recording. Uh-oh. Maybe it didn't record the first time, huh? Okay, just in case it didn't.
Kurt, I can finally breathe.
I didn't look at that. I can't see up close either.
Do we need to redo it?
That's a fine bird.
Made the cook because it wasn't but on 50 count. It should have been way up there. Doesn't have to tell the story all over again, Billy.
Well, tell her how it happened. I tell the damn truth.
We was sitting on a log, me and Pick, and here he comes flying down a three-wheeler trail. Billy jumped him up, and I got him on my third shot. And he weighed 17 pounds. He got a 10.5-inch beard and 7/8 inch spurs. And that's my first one. First one I ever got. But that was a luck shot. He got some big old spurs on it. Need them big spurs. It's a nice gobbler. It's a fine bird. It's got a big fan. Big pretty fan on it. Alright, I need my still camera. You get it?
I gotta fix my
This is
yelp.
the way you yell.
This is what caused this bird to die. Let me fix it up real, real good. You want to use your phone?
I got one.
Yeah, but it don't sound like it.
Wait a minute.
That's enough bullshit.
Wait,
Get that beard in there.
well, I didn't get the first one. Hold it like that. It needs to flash, wait a minute.
And now it's Miller time.
It don't get no better than this.
Alright.
That's fine bird.
Lay it out like you did the first time.
I'm wallowing him around in the mud here.
Kurt,
Huh?
spread the tail out again. She didn't get the first.
Alright. How about one like that?
Lay its head straight.
It ain't gonna lay straight.
We'll put the time on it.
He didn't gobble or nothing. I didn't hear him gobble. Billy said that he gobbled.
He gobbled for 45 minutes.
And I never heard it. Me and Pick was sitting there, we never
That
heard
bird-
it gobble.
That other bird that gobbled?
How about one
Sound
like
like
this?
it right on
That's a
top of
good
y'all.
shot.
What you compare it to?
That's a big old bird there. Who you called on the phone just now?
Dad. You gotta be. Show the good side.
Yeah.
That's a fine
Make
bird,
you
Curt.
want to take a drink of wild turkey, I know that.
When I first saw that bird, that head was beet red.
Well, he got some big spurs. Show them old spurs on him.
I gotta go put
That's
some stuff up.
7/8 inch spurs on
Hey,
him.
Gary. Curt, you gonna pick him or skin him? Might as well
Come on,
skin him.
skin him. Yeah, he's already skinned some.
That's a fine bird. But you
My
see how it
first one, he got a big old
calls out.
beard. Yeah, boy, that was a lot of fun. I never expected one to fly like he did.
Hey, can I have that tape?
No, you can't have this tape.
I want to borrow it so I can show the people.
Show who, Bill?
Borrow.
And here is a true turkey hunter here. He broke us in this morning.
It don't get no better than this.
You right. Tell you what, that's a good old bird there.
That's an old bird. I bet that bird's about 6 years old.